Hello, today we will guide you through how to loop a video in CapCut. If you want your clip to play again seamlessly without manually replaying it, CapCut makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, we'll use a sample project and duplicate the video so it repeats on the timeline. This is a quick method that works well when you want to extend a short clip or create a looping effect for editing. Begin by opening the CapCut app. Once the app is launched, make sure you're on the main editing screen where you can access your projects. If CapCut takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is fully visible before moving on. Starting from the home screen helps you keep the process organized and makes it easier to find the project you want to edit. Next, open the sample project. This will bring you into the editing workspace where you can see your video timeline and preview window. The sample project is where you'll make the loop, so take a second to confirm that the correct project is open. It's always a good idea to check that you're editing the right clip before making changes. Once the project is open, drag the sample video into place on the timeline if it is not already positioned where you want it. The timeline is the main area where you arrange your clips, and this is where the loop will be created. Make sure the video is selected properly so your next action applies to the correct clip. A neatly placed clip makes the rest of the process much smoother. After that, copy the video. This creates an identical duplicate of the original clip, which is the key to making the video loop. Since the copy is the exact same footage, placing it immediately after the first clip allows the playback to continue from one instance to the next. If you're aiming for a clean repeat, this duplication step is essential. Now paste the copied video at the end of the original video on the timeline. Place it directly after the first clip so there's no gap between them. This is what creates the loop effect. When the first clip finishes playing, the duplicated version starts right away, making the video repeat. If needed, zoom in on the timeline to make sure the clips are aligned closely and there are no empty spaces. And that's it. You've successfully looped a video in CapCut by copying the original clip and pasting it at the end. If you want the video to repeat more than once, you can continue copying and pasting the same clip again in the same way.